Hi friends, today we discuss IKEA's new home automation device that is released in April. That is a big game changer device. It will related to our home automation. Actually, in IKEA device, we can know indoor our indoor environment and air quality. So using that device you can easily know your atmosphere and indoor air quality. That device contains PM 2.5 sensor. Actually, PM 2.5 sensor is a sensor that detects teeny particles in air. Like if there is some teeny particles in air, it will find it and show the result on a screen. It's also have a temperature sensor that will show you how what is the temperature in the room and what is the maximum temperature and lowest temperature. The next sensor is the humidity sensor. Actually, humidity sensor will show you the humidity in your home, so you easily check and manage the humidity. So that is a very big change in devices. IKA's best device, and plus it will in future it will connect with the Apple Home and Alexa. So we can manage and control the temperature, check the temperature, humidity, check the humidity, and also control it. So it will help us to make our home more automated and easy to manage temperature with humidity and also find particle. And the it also have a sensor for check the gases, natural gases in your home. So you can easily check the carbon monoxide and other gases. So it will easily show on the screen, so you can handle it and react accordingly. So manage on time. It will very helpful for you. It will be expected to release in April, and more functionalities and price will be show in April. Thank you for watching.